Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
Today I'll be reviewing the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program. Are you tired being a snorer? Have you tried everything? From medicine to expensive CPAP machines? The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is the answer to your suffering. The program offers handful of different natural solutions, programs, exercises and valuable information that helps you tackle the root of the problem. Sounds interesting? Keep watching this video. The program starts out by going into the reasons why you're snoring. The essential role is to cure snoring and sleep apnea. There are several different reasons for snoring that this program covers. It covers snoring that's caused by your throat, tongue, nasal, jaw or soft palate. The program gives you 24 stop snoring exercises that each focus on your specific issue. The exercises don't require you to run on a treadmill or do any other movement. Instead, they're simple movements that exercise the area that is essentially causing the problem. For example, if you snore because of your tongue, perhaps you'll want to focus on tongue rolling or tongue stretching exercises. The reason I love this program because it only takes 3 minutes a day to do these exercises. If you have a hectic life like me, then this is perfect. You also receive 5 bonus programs. Stop smoking, relieve stress, concentrate, lose weight and get confident. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is an online program, which means that you can get started right away. You simply download the program onto your desktop, laptop, tablet or smartphone and get started. And it is backed up with 60 days money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description for more information.
I changed my life completely.